Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Honor Magic4 Lite. First of all, just open Play Store on both devices. Now you need to tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do the same on Honor smartphone. Finally, click on Send at the bottom right corner on Motorola and Receive on Honor device. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots. And finally, choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now on Honor Magic, you need to tap on Yes I agree or No thanks. Then select Close this window, and finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Honor, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!